Hello and welcome to the In Focus series of Drishti IAS. I am Ritu and today's session is about Swiss Alps, a project in Swiss Alps. And this session is important for your GS 3 perspective. So here there's so many things that why the technologies are not growing, why we are not able to know about universe, why there are some mysteries still remain with the universe. So such kind of the questions always comes to our mind. Well, we have solution for such kind of the questions, and here we are going to talk about the big machines just like LHC and FCC, and how these machines can be useful to know about the universe, to know about the different kind of curiosity we have. So this particular session is not going to be helpful from your science and technology perspective, but also that how science can be used for the economic purpose. So let's move towards the news part. So the news is that here we are going to talk about LHC, which is Large Hadron Collider. So there it is a machine, very big machine, which is built underground, and they had discovered various questions related to the universe, and so many things collided. So here we got to know many mystery through this machine. So the Large Hadron Collider has been responsible for astounding advances in physics, the discovery of elusive long-shot Higgs boson, as well as other new exotic particles, possible hints for new forces of nature and more. So what we got to know that apart from this LHC, we have one new project which has been designed by the European countries, which is going to be more advanced than the LHC. So the news is that we are going to talk about that big machine which is more advanced than the LHC. So this is located at the European Organization for Nuclear Research on the border of France and Switzerland. The LHC is expected to run for another 15 years. And after that, they had decided that they are going to use and implement FCC. So one of the most favored proposal for CERN's next step is the 70-year Future Circular Collider. So this is FCC, Future Circular Collider project, more than 3 times the size of the LHC. This enormous proposed machine promises to resolve some mysteries of the universe and undoubtedly reveal some new ones. So here after 15 years we need to know something new, we need to know the newer technology, and being a, what you can say, in technological world, we always have this curiosity related to the science, universe. So that's why this particular news is very important. Apart from moving the further news, you already know that this TIS is in Noida, and we have this ISGS Foundation course is in Noida. So we are providing you classes in both the medium, Hindi medium and English medium. So if you want to enroll into such classes, you can call us on 87501 87501. Also, this particular thing is available on online mode, so you can also check Drishti Learning app. Now we are going to talk about what will the FCC do. So we had talked about the LHC. Now we are going to focus on the FCC, which is Future Circular Collider, and it is a planned as a successor of the Large Hadron Collider, set to build in a 91-kilometer tunnel, much larger than the LHC's 27-kilometer ring. And this will proceed into 2 stages. First stage is about electron-positron collider for precision Higgs boson studies, and second, a proton-proton collider with over 7 times the LHC's energy. So what they will do, so it will enable discovery of new particles, but also requires advanced technology like superconducting magnets. So this is about the FCC. Now we'll talk about the known unknowns. So the biggest achievement of the LHC is the Higgs boson discovery. So the Higgs boson discovery at the LHC confirmed the standard model which explains fundamental particles and their interactions. And however, the model has gaps because there were some left answers which we don't know, and we are expecting that FCC will give that answer, such at the origin of the mass in lighter particles, whether Higgs field gives mass to the Higgs boson itself, and matter-antimatter imbalance. So the Future Circular Collider aims to explore these questions by probing heavier quarks, searching dark matter candidates, and providing higher energy investigation. While outcomes are uncertain, the FCC is driven by the scientific curiosity. So here the basic motto of introduction of the FCC, that those answers who can't be answered through the LHCs because of the research gap, which we are going to fulfill through the FCC, related to the universe, related to the mass, that why few things have the lighter mass, why there are some things have some different particles. So this is basically related to the material science. Now we are going to discuss about the competing colliders. So if you have this question that do we have any competing colliders apart from the Europe? Yes, we do have. So another is proposed 20 kilometers machine called International Linear Collider, and which has been built in the Japan. So here we have that Japan is also working into this direction. Another, US is also already investing into various projects just like offshore Higgs factory located in Europe or Japan. And one project that may concern FCC backers is the planned 100-kilometer Chinese electron positron collider. So here we can see that Japan is 20 kilometer, but Chinese one is very much big, which is 100 kilometer, which is CEPC, which has significant similarities to the FCC. So this poses another kind of dilemma question in front of the Europe, that if China goes ahead with their project, is the FCC still worthwhile? So here it is also a, what you can say, scientific war between the European countries and China, that China is planning very big machinery in terms of that. And if China's machinery will become more successful, then what would be the worth of this FCC? So we need to also see that what other countries are developing, what are the parallel developments, and whatever we are investing in it, that should be successful. So here we'll talk about the high cost. So if we'll talk about the first stage, so here we can see that 15 billion Swiss francs, which will go for the another 12 years. Then here in the second, which we need 19 billion Swiss francs, which will complete by 2070. But the CERN has approved that 80% can be funded through existing annual budget. So there will be no much worry related to the fund. This is very costly affair, but not much worry related to the funds. So here if we'll talk about the benefits beyond science, yes, the LHC was related to pure science, but FCC is related to science as well as technology also. So this is not just limited to the science, as well as it will also enhance the technological progression. So this is about the FCC, LHC, and how science is contributing through LHC and FCC. Now we are going to talk about the practice question for prelims. Consider the following about the future circular collider. Its tunnel is planned to be 91 km long. It will entirely replace the existing LHC infrastructure. Its second stage may not be operational before 2070. Which of the statement above is are correct? 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3. So kindly answer into the comment section. I had already explained the significance of FCC, what is the difference between LHC and FCC. So you should know, and what are the other development related to such kind of the heavy machinery. So you should know. Thank you. Have a nice day.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.